Due to limited playback options and codec support, you may encounter the following error when you try to play a video using the movie and TV apps. If you happen to have the same problem, here's how to fix it. Now, first on the list, repair and reset the application. Do it by opening Apps and Features. Scroll down, find Movies and TV app. Click More Options, choose Advanced Options. Then scroll down and click the Reset or Repair option. Now once done, relaunch the app and check for any improvements. You can also update the Movies and TV app. All you have to do is open Microsoft Store, search for Movies and TV app, click the Update option. If an update is available, then try to download the update. Now this may take a while, but this depends on your internet connection speed. Once done, click on Open to relaunch the app and check for any improvements. Lastly, uninstall or reinstall the application. Do it by opening Movies and TV, right-click on it, then select Uninstall. Once done, open your browser, go to this Movies and TV app page, then try to reinstall the application. So that's how to fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.